Here's a quick tip on how to remove blemish in Photoshop. First, you create a black and white adjustment layer, then reduce the red like this and the yellow like this to review the blemish. Then create a curve adjustment layer and drag down below the black and white adjustment. Then adjust it from here to brighten it a bit. Then you create a blank layer just above the background layer. Then use the healing brush to clean the blemish by holding down the Alt key and selecting a sample of a clean area. Then you brush over the blemish like this. Then you delete the black and white adjustment and the curve layer to review your clean image. Thank you. Please like, share, follow for more as you keep creating and learning.